Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a template using Canva. Mastering this skill allows you to generate professional, personalized designs for various tasks, including social media posts, slide decks, or any other visual media. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser. If you haven't registered yet, create an account now so you can save your projects and utilize the full range of features. After logging in, you will find a search bar at the top of the homepage. Type template into this field to display a wide selection of professionally designed layouts that will save you time and ensure a polished result. Now, look through the extensive gallery. Canva provides options for almost anything, from flyers and invitations to business cards. Take a moment to browse, and once you find a design that suits your project requirements, click on it. This will open the template in a new window where you can see a larger view and extra details. Next, click the button labeled Customize this template to begin the creative process. This action launches the design editor, giving you the freedom to make changes that fit your specific style. Within the editor, you can modify almost every part of the layout. Update the text to fit your message, change the fonts to set the right tone, or adjust the colors to match your brand. You can also add new components like graphics, photos, or illustrations from Canva's massive library to give your work a unique feel. Once you are happy with your edits, use the preview feature to see how the design looks in a real-world context. If you notice anything that needs fixing, simply return to the editor to make adjustments. Be sure to save your progress frequently. While Canva usually saves automatically, manual saving is a good habit to prevent losing any work. You have now successfully built a custom Canva template ready for sharing. This skill makes producing high-quality designs both easy and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy designing.